then we can put that underneath the pan. Go ahead. So if you want to bring that in,
You're nice and good up there.
you gotta go all the way up.
You're nice and good up there on your hook.
Yeah, 'cause we're off the plywood right now.
Yeah, that's all right.
Just remember.
Oh yeah.
I thought I'd give them this. This is more of a heavy duty strap.
How about this? I'll put some of these tools away more.
Yeah.
So the rear end on my 69 should be about the same.
Yeah, yeah. I picked this one up from him. It's called an 8 3/4 rear axle.
Okay.
You probably already have one of those under your yours now.
I believe
probably,
so.
Probably. What size motor is it in?
It's a 318.
318?
Yeah.
Original 318?
It's not matching numbers, but it is a 318. Yeah.
How you can know when you look underneath the car, if there's a cover on the back, it's the small one, and you'll want to beef up. This is the beefier rear axle, and the bolts are in the back.
Okay.
So you just that's an easy way to you can spot them real quick.
Okay.
And they're not too hard. Actually, I think he even has one. If you need it. And you know, if you've got a limited right now, if you got a one-track pony is what I call it.
Okay.
Meaning one wheel spins.
Okay.
You want to do a burnout with both wheels.
Well, yeah, one don't even spin right now.
Oh, okay. But when you need to, he probably has an axle for you. So
Yeah.
Yeah. If I do notice that I need one, I'll reach out to you again.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me know. 'Cause I got some more parts and cars to other places too. This isn't all of them.
Awesome. Here's a better view of it. Can't really tell, but it does show a little clock deal. I believe it's pretty cool. Looks like 1 p.m. and it also shows April 10th, 1968. This came out of a 1968 Chrysler 300. 727 automatic transmission, 440. So, like my wife says, it looks like a piece of junk right now. But when I'm done with it, it'll look real good. I can't wait to get in there and see what condition the block is in. So appreciate y'all watching. Those of you that haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let me know what y'all think. Hit the like button, leave some comments. Anybody that's tore one down or built one of these before, I'll take all the tips I can get. I should have started tearing this down here soon, but if you have any questions on it, let me know. And y'all have a good one. God bless you.